Hi there, my name's Coach. I like to make things. I love hockey. And although the Stanley Cup playoffs just ended and Vegas just won the cup, me and my buds on our beer league team are still grinding through the summer season. And we've been giving out game pucks to celebrate after every game, but we're hemorrhaging money having to buy pucks over and over and over. And we talked about getting like a big chain or a belt that you see kind of other teams doing. And then we thought to ourselves, we need something that's our own. And that's where I got the inspiration. So on this episode, I'm going to make my hockey team a puck board. So I was watching the Stanley Cup playoffs this year, and my team, Dallas, was playing the Seattle Kraken. I noticed that both teams had a puck board. The Dallas Stars had a puck board, like you see here, and the Seattle Kraken had a puck board that you see here. The idea is every time you win a game, the player of the game gets to pop the puck in there, and you're one step closer to the cup. And I had the idea, why don't we put our team logo on our own puck board, and every season the player of the game puts the puck in. We don't waste any money, and we get to celebrate and still give out game pucks. Alright, so here's my idea. I've got a bunch of scrap left over from other projects in my garage. So I'm going to take 2 pieces of 1/4-inch MDF board and make a back panel and a front panel. Now the front panel will have 12 holes cut out for each of the 12 games that we play in our season. 10 regular season, 2 playoff games. And then the back panel will just hold everything in place. And as we play games, player of the game gets to put the puck into the puck board. But I also want to make it reflective of our team. It's not going to be cool just to have 2 panels of wood together. So I'm going to try and take our team logo and recreate it in 1/4-inch MDF board and put it at the top. So it's been a couple weeks, and I gotta say, the puck board has been a huge success. I drilled a couple holes in the bag so we can hang it up in the locker room, and with 3 games down in our regular season, it looks phenomenal. I'm so stoked to see how it looks as we add more and more pucks. And for being such a simple project, it was great. Only took me a couple of days. Barely spent any money because all the wood I had was scrap in the garage. Really, the only thing that I had to pay money for was the screws and the bolts and the spacers keeping the 2 boards away from each other. But I'm super happy with it, how it turned out. Well, I hope you enjoyed the video. It was super fun for me to get to put this together for my beer league team. The guys really enjoyed it, and I think it's going to be a staple for our team, which feels pretty cool. If you want to keep in touch, I do have an Instagram account where you can follow me. I also stream occasionally on Twitch. You can see the links down below. And then, of course, like and subscribe this video to help me out, and you'll be here for the next video. Thanks.